Let's look at the makings of each of these pads, and this will help explain why it is so different. The Empower pad is completely wrapped. The only reason this is cut here or open is because I did cut it down the center. So, and you have, this is the breathable part here. As you can see through it, and that is the mesh that allows the fluid to go through, but it will not come back to your skin. Then we have another absorption layer of cotton. Then there's another strip, and then we have a natural gelling agent, and that is what actually absorbs into absorbs the liquid. And as you can tell, it is really a dry product. It completely absorbs into those little beads. There is really no pad, as we talked about, showing this is Empower and this is a competitor pad, and there's nothing in there. Yes, they've got some absorbing gel beads, I guess you would call it, but the fact of the matter is there's nothing really to hold it into that other than a thick piece of plastic. So that is probably why we have a lot of the leakage that was going over the sides. This is a very thin piece of plastic, and again, this is the gelling agent, but it's kind of like it's just coating a thick piece of cotton-like material, and it feels very wet, as you can see on my fingers there. This one, you know, as you can see, is wet, and with our product, it's really just a dry feel to the skin with the beads. So this is really what we're looking at. Whoops, I didn't cut the back part of that, but there's another layer here on the front side that is of that cotton, and it's woven in, if you notice here, into the pad itself, so therefore that's why it's staying in place. This is not, it's just like it's laying there, and I think for whatever reason that might be why the water's going where it's going. It's just a strip. This is part of the weave of the pad.